FitLabPGH back with the Labradors down here and a new shirt up here with our comfort hack for the day. Think about fall, cooler weather, but sometimes when you go out in the early morning, the sun comes out, it gets warmer, and you find out you're overdressed or maybe you're underdressed. So we've talked about the advantages of wool before. Brief review of the Kitsbow Icon Shirt. This has the advantage, if it's going to be more of a hike as opposed to a run, of more ventilation from snaps if you need it, or you can close the snaps. It also has the advantage, if you think about these things, it's made in the USA, and if you're like me, you're really hard on material, they'll repair it if you happen to tear it up. So check out the Kitsbow Icon Shirt, check out wool clothing, and above all, make movement part of your lifestyle and not just a workout. The Labradors taking a brief rest, looking for twigs, leaves, and any other fun things to hack their workout.